Welcome to an eye-opening video that's essential for anyone interested in day trading. This video is brought to you by Exodus Capital, your go-to platform for financial education. Picture us as the Netflix of financial knowledge, offering a wealth of content on real estate investing, Turo car rental investing, e-commerce business, and much more. Stick around because we have an exclusive call to action that can help you multiply your income ASAP. Today, we're diving into the heart of a pressing issue: 5 reasons why day traders fail and lose money. Day trading can be incredibly lucrative, but it's also one of the riskiest forms of trading out there. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial to your trading success. Our first reason why day traders fail is the lack of education. Jumping into day trading without a solid understanding of market dynamics, strategies, and risk management is like driving blindfolded. Proper education is your armor against market turbulence. The second culprit is overconfidence. Many day traders succumb to the illusion that they can consistently beat the market. Overtrading and taking excessive risks can lead to catastrophic losses. Stay humble and disciplined in your approach. Reason number 3 is poor risk management. Day trading without a clear risk management plan is akin to sailing a ship without a rudder. Protecting your capital through stop-loss orders, position sizing, and disciplined risk management is non-negotiable.